Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If you take a close look, that s2k is looking a little different. We got some stocky boys on there. Suspension's still low. What's this?
Single again.
Because we got another one. This one, we decided to swap all the modified parts. This one has a lower mileage. Yeah, and we got it for a steal, so I couldn't pass it, you know? The soft top was ripped, giant hole in the top. It looked like it had a sunroof. I did a soft top delete. This car has really bad alignment. I've always wanted to try out the string box method. Alright. I still know how to use this.
You don't know what you're doing.
Now I gotta figure it out.
Jeez.
Break that nut, and then you can turn this to adjust it. Same thing on the other side.
Definitely not straight, boys.
I hear Mason.
Dude, it's so thin I can't see.
Dude,
Yeah,
3.
that's about it.
Take it or leave it.
That's about it. 3mm defeater. Hey, so this is the car that we just got for Jamari over there. It looks pretty good outside. It has a good body kit, but there's like its imperfections. Like over here, it's all cracked. The interior is dog water, a aftermarket bumper. I'm not sure what the body kits are on these because I haven't done too much of the research. Back at the car, 2 inches off the line. See in the back. Also from the hub, it's 2 inches.
Oh my god. Fuck, I can't get it on, why?
One eternity later.
Center.
2.7. Slow like that.
Nom, nom, nom. Oh yeah, that's lemonade. We're gonna find out if this bitch is...
Jesus Christ.
It went far. You actually stalled?
That just shot out like a motherfucker. I mean, it's not bad. It's so scraped.
Holy, that's not bad though. We ready, guys?
Jamari's replacing his knock sensor for his s2k.
Yep.
Doing
No, you know, I should just drop this on him. What do you guys think?
No, he almost kicked that shit a couple times, like, dude.
Conclusion, alignment's still messed up, but we tried. It was an experience. We know where the the arms and the adjuster for the toes are now and the camber, but I think we need to take it to alignment shop to get it like fully dialed in. So like this is a good way to get like at least your car going decently straight, you know, to drive to the alignment shop. It's probably my fault. I've seen like other people do it where it turns out good, but for me personally, I'm just gonna take it to the alignment shop so I don't have to worry about it. Yeah, don't do this. Don't play. Do this at your own risk. Make sure to do all your research. I don't know. I guess have fun with it. But that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're out.